Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. We're taking a quick look here at Avalanche, seeing what's going on. Double checking a few key factors here, such as staying above the clouds, some confirming factors for the long position we took recently as to why this coin should definitely still be able to continue moving forward and up. But once more, there's a lot of things we got to just be mindful as well, just to be on the safe side, okay? You can never presume something is going to happen, nor should you assume. So just a friendly advice, be careful trading anything right now, just because Bitcoin is right on the edge of greatness or disaster. And when that happens, you just got to respect the market and make sure that you are not over leveraging. Really, that's the bottom line. I would say lower position sizing too, and ensure you're not using a massive amount of your current portfolio. Really focus 5% max per trade of what you have available in your portfolio. It will save you in the long run. Trust me on this. We've had a couple of people get destroyed in the market because they do not respect that. Okay, so taking a look here at AVAX, just to kind of jump right in, we can see 44 to 46, even upwards of 48, heavier concentrations of liquidation. But the most heavy, I guess you could say, is at 4460 slash 4550. Okay? Those are two areas that we can kind of see is more likely to be retested. Not a ton of long liquidation data here, showing us that there is more of a short bias, which basically implies that people are more likely to get destroyed than they are not, just because they're trying to bet against it. And I get it, totally. It makes sense to short any coin right now, just in a logical sense that Bitcoin is at the top and hypothetically will pull back again, right? But as it continues to consolidate at 67, 68,000, all coins are starting to surge, and we've retested this level 1, 2, 3 times now. I feel like the good fourth time will be the charm, and essentially that 4450 resistance level will be a thing of the past. Okay, so that's just my thoughts there. We'll see here in a minute. Obviously, if that is the case, let's double check a few key factors. So daily time frame, what do we like to look at? Well, we love looking at TD sequentials. Okay, we can start with that. We got a nice little reset. There's no continuation in either direction. When we look at the moving averages, we're above all four. That's statistically a very, very good sign. Same thing here as well with being over 50 on the RSI, money flow index, extremely high. You don't see this on a lot of coins right now. That leads me to believe we have a lot of support in this range, not only based on volume, because we see a tremendous amount of support, 36, 39, 50, and 40, basically where the price at right now, 43 is a round number. Those are all heavy support levels. So with all that support at the current price point or lower, based on volume, we have much more potential for the price to pivot and bounce if it does pull back. Same thing here as well with, again, just the money flow index being super high. That's unusual, and it's a very good sign in my personal opinion on the daily time frame, just kind of showing that there's more interest here, and it's not considered to be overbought. Therefore, the price should continue to increase because the perception is that the price action is not too, it's still affordable and still a good deal. That's kind of what the concept is. Same thing here with the stochastic RSI. It's swinging back up here. That while this isn't super strong, it's not like it's a super telling sign that the price is going to continue up. It does tell us that we're not diverging any longer, and that's a very positive scenario there. Okay, so as long as AVAX can make a move here soon, I think we'll be in good shape. If we take a look at the 4-hour time frame, similar scenario here, yet very different. What I mean by that, we're over 50 on the RSI, which is good. Stochastic is swinging up-ish. And then, of course, the money flow is kind of right there at 50. So I wouldn't say that's a bullish or bearish sign. It's kind of a bit more on the neutral side. Same thing here with the MACD. Is trying to diverge. Hasn't yet. We had an MACD FU about 12, 16 hours ago. And at this point here, we really just got to, what is it? They say crap or get off the pot. You know the other word they say too for that. Basically, AVAX needs to make a move here. There's no other way around it because it's gonna lose momentum if it doesn't. So it'd be ideal for us to break this most recent high at about $43/$44 to effectively be able to establish that as a new low. Now, do you always get what you want in trading? Definitely not. But that would be a perfect case scenario for us if that were to occur. If we take a look at the hourly here, we can double check a couple things. Such as liquidity, we do got a little bit lower liquidity level there, about $41 that could be swept. A couple more upper level liquidities. Those are fairly concurrent with what we saw on the charts, so is on the back end there. And if we take a look at CRT sequential, we've been sideways and up. There's nothing really to note there. But if we look at Ichimoku Cloud, this is where things are getting interesting. So again, if the price continues higher, just say a little bit here, for example, consolidates here, the lagging span would be free and clear of the price action to be perfect. Conversion line is above the baseline, but we're not quite free and clear of the cloud. So this is not by any stretch a perfect situation, but it's getting really close to a confirming scenario for a long trade. Okay, so there's a lot of reasons why this coin is on the edge of awesomeness or potentially not. So I would, again, just make sure you adjust your stop loss higher, and if you are in profit, you got this little candle wick down. But more important, I think, just in general, patience is key. And we have a lot of confirming factors here letting us know that it's best to leave your position open, and it's not really, there's no sell signs yet, okay? Again, the price goes sideways for another 48 hours, we might start seeing those, and that could be a different situation for us. Yeah. So if that is a consideration for you, consider consider that, and obviously make sure you continue to just be awesome parts of my life. Thank you so much to my community members. As you can see here, we're using Bitunix, phenomenal exchange, and just really overall very consistent. And much better than most other exchanges. And there's no KYC or VPN required. In fact, use the link below if you want to consider registering with them. They are fantastic. They've been great to our community. Furthermore, too, as well, just kudos to everybody, just killing it here. I mean, I cannot express how positive and happy I am about the situation. I mean, everybody makes my trading community just phenomenal. So I love all these results. Of course, this is a small part of it. Obviously, you want to make sure that you're trading carefully and you're not just trying to trade to get these kind of results. But generally speaking, we got a lot of good traders over here, so be sure to check it out, folks. Excited to have you along. So CryptoCash.tech is a site, link down below if you want to consider registering. I got a trading academy, community, and signals group. I do wonderfully. Thank you so much for watching. We'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a good rest of your day. We'll take care. We'll see you soon.